Hey guys, Todd here. Today we're going to install the HC3 hard folding cover from Rugged Liner on this Chevy Silverado, but most installations are exactly the same. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so this is exactly the way the cover comes out of the box. I've gone ahead and removed all packaging material. The clips are going to be facing towards the cab. So go ahead and set it on top of the bed caps, push it all the way up on top of the bulkhead and center it side to side. All right, once you have it centered side to side, we're going to undo the clips and then fold it back to the tailgate. Now back here at the tailgate, we're also going to center it side to side back here. Once we get it nice and centered and everything is square, we're going to very gently fold it to the cab. Now we can go underneath and set the clamps at the front. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and turn our attention to the front clamp. This is going to attach to your bed cap. First, what we need to do is remove this adhesive block that just has this held in place. I'm just going to set that to the side for now. Now I can go ahead and pull the clamp down into the bed of the truck. We're going to rotate the jaw of the clamp towards the bed cap and slide it over and let it just kind of mate up to the bed cap. I'm going to hold it in place while I turn this knob just to snug it up. Don't over tighten it, just get it nice and snug. All right, now go ahead and attach the safety strap to one of your factory tie-down cleats. Repeat the same process on the opposite side. All right, now we go ahead and fold it back to the tailgate. Reach up and remove the adhesive foam block. This is just for packaging during transit. And go ahead and pull this clamp out of position. Turn it towards the bed cap. And next we're going to adjust the level of this clamp to the bed cap. The way we're going to do that is just rotate the clamp until it goes up this threaded shaft high enough to where the jaw just barely clears the bed cap. Go back down one. Now we can go ahead and rotate that clamp down. And it locks it in place to the bed cap. Repeat the same process on the opposite side. All right, one last thing to point out. On this cover towards the tailgate end at your tailgate clamps, there is a push button on each side that will illuminate the bed of your truck. Well, that concludes the installation. If you have any questions, call the experts or visit us online.